哇，全部拉差很久，全部拉差，我咪條禮物冇係咯。
Floods occurred in many places in Meizhou, Guangdong, and primary and secondary schools were closed. Heavy rain occurred in Guangdong, Fujian, and Jiangxi. Floods have occurred in many places in Meizhou, Guangdong. Rain has continued in southern China recently, especially at the junction of Guangdong, Fujian, and Jiangxi. On June 16, there was heavy rain. Floods, landslides, and other disasters occurred in some areas. There were varying degrees of waterlogging in urban and rural areas. Roads were washed away, water and electricity networks were cut off, and villages and towns lost contact. According to the Central Meteorological Observatory, heavy rain or heavy rain occurred in parts of central and southern Jiangxi, southwest Fujian, northeastern and southern Hunan, northern Guangxi, northern and eastern Guangdong from 8 o'clock on June 16 to 6 o'clock on June 17. Longyan, Fujian, Guangdong Meizhou and Shanwei, and other local heavy rain 250 to 364 millimeters. At 22:30 on June 16, the Meizhou City 3 Prevention Headquarters in Guangdong Province upgraded the Flood Control Emergency Response Level 3 to Flood Control Emergency Response Level 2. According to data from the Meteorological Department, heavy rain fell in Pingyuan and Jiangxi counties in Meizhou, Guangdong from 8 o'clock to 21 o'clock on June 16, and very heavy rain occurred in many towns and villages. As of 0 o'clock on the 17th, the red rainstorm warning signal in Pingyuan County and Jiangxi County was still in effect. At present, the red flood warning is in effect for 3 rivers in Meizhou City: Shikuo River, Sanyuan River, and Chagan River. Some sections of the river experienced rising water levels and overflowing their banks in Guangfu Town, Jiangxi County. The very heavy rain caused major flooding, causing the dam to overflow.
哇，全部拉差很久，全部拉差，我咪條禮物冇係咯。
At 14:12 on the 16th, the Meizhou Fire Rescue Detachment immediately launched a flood rescue plan and immediately dispatched a total of 29 vehicles and 174 people to the scene. The fully present detachment headquarters led the professional water rescue team to set off with the police. Up to now, cities in Pingyuan County and Jiangxi County, Meizhou, Guangdong have experienced varying degrees of waterlogging in urban and rural areas. Roads in some towns and villages have experienced landslides. Water supply, and power grids have been cut off in many towns and villages. Local personnel are organizing repairs overnight. It is reported that as of 21:30 on the 16th, 1,233 people have been relocated in Pingyuan County, and a total of 539 people have been relocated in Jiaoling County.
这电动车还在这里，人已经不见了。这么大的水，我们也不知道是哪里去打捞，就这样了啊。这里很多人在这里，没办法救啊。
On the evening of the 16th, the Education Bureau of Jiaoling County, Meizhou City issued an emergency notice requiring all primary and secondary schools, kindergartens, and training institutions in all towns and villages in the county to suspend classes on the 17th. At the same time, the Education Bureau of Pingyuan County, Meizhou City notified primary and secondary schools, kindergartens, and off-campus training institutions in Chang'an Town, Shangju Town, Bachi Town, Renju Town, Zhongneng Town, Sishu Town, Dongxi Town, and Hetu Town to suspend classes on the 17th. According to the Hydrology Department's estimate at 22 o'clock on the 16th, the water level at Tingjing-Siku Hydrological Station in Meizhou City, Qingxi Town, Dabu County, was 9.91 meters, 1.09 meters away from the warning water level 11.0 meters. According to the water from the upper reaches of the Tingjing River and Mayanhuatan Reservoir, according to the discharge situation, Mayanhuatan Reservoir is estimated to discharge 5,000 cubic meters per second at 0 o'clock on the 17th. The water level at Seko Station is expected to rise to 16.5 meters at 2 o'clock on the 17th, exceeding the warning water level 11.0 meters by 5.5 meters, and the corresponding flow rate is 5,800 cubic meters per second. Chang Old Christian Church on Taiping 2nd Street is expected to be submerged by about 6.0 meters. The water level at Hanjing Sanheba Station 3 in Meizhou City, Santa City, Dabu County is 41.29 meters, 0.71 meters away from the warning water level 42.0 meters. The surface rainfall in the basin above Hanjing Sanheba Station 3 is 67.7 millimeters. The rain is still continuing. It is estimated that the water level at Sanheba Station 3 will be 48.0 meters at 10 o'clock on the 17th, exceeding the warning water level 42.0 meters by 6.0 meters with a corresponding flow of 12,000 cubic meters per second. Bazi Wharf in Gapi Town is expected to be flooded. The water level is about 6.0 meters and Yanjing Second Road is about 5.0 meters.